Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to grade 4. Today we are going to learn our first chapter of science grade 4, that is keeping healthy. Students, health is very important because it makes you feel energetic. So what happens to our body when our body gets hungry or thirsty? It means our body need energy, and we can obtain this energy from food. So the first important thing to keep you healthy is to eat a good food in our diet. Good food means food that contain nutrients. Now you must be thinking, what are nutrients? So food is made up of molecule called nutrients. These nutrients are essential for the normal functioning of human body. These nutrients provides us energy, help us to grow, keep us healthy, disease free and strong. So the nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamin, mineral and water. So now let us classify different food on the basis of function performed by them. So the first classification is food from which we get energy. Carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients present in the food which provides us energy to our body. And the food which contain carbohydrates are bananas, bread, biscuit, rice, and the food which contain fats are fish, cheese, chocolate. Second classification is food for growth. Proteins are the nutrients which helps our body to grow and makes our muscles strong. Foodstuffs containing proteins are meat, fish, cheese, eggs. Different food items contain different types of proteins. Therefore, our food should include more than one source of protein to fulfill our needs. Now, our third classification is food for health. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that protect our body from disease and keep us healthy. Yes, so the role of vitamin in our body is to protect our body from bacteria and germs. Vitamins makes our organs healthy. The sources of vitamins are carrot, lemon, spinach, milk, pepper, tomato and fruits. So we should consume lots and lots of fruits. There are vitamin. Our body also need minerals. Yes, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron and potassium. These minerals helps blood circulation and it makes our bones strong. And now we are going to see what is healthy and a balanced diet means. The word diet means what we eat. So a diet containing all these nutrients which we have studied, the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals are called balanced diet. Stay home, be safe. Allah Hafiz.